Hello, here we will present our Think Tank 2022 to 2023 project. My name is Millie.
My name is Omid Izadi.
And my name is Daneshyari.
We are sophomores from Middle College High School, and our Mesa Center is the University of Pacific UOP. The problem we'll be presenting today is, how does a world with all zero-emission vehicles will look like?
So our current problem is carbon emissions from vehicle exhausts have recently grown to be the most dominant source of pollution in the modern world. So one of the problem is pollution. Burning gasoline produces pollution, and the contributors to pollution are nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and etc. It also has environmental factors such as vehicles emit carbon dioxide and harmful byproducts, contributing to climate change and global warming. There's also impacts to the human body, such as air pollution causes respiratory, neurological, and immune system damages to the body.
The solution we have came up with is the zero-emission vehicles. Zero-emission vehicles, or the ZEVs, are vehicles that does not emit any harmful emissions during its operation process. Now, currently, our examples of zero-emission vehicles includes all-electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and hydrogen-fueled vehicles.
So for the changes we need, there will be a few challenges. Some changes that we will need are going to be more efficient technologies to produce vehicles with consistent range, performance, and not at a very high cost. Another technology we will need is more consistent infrastructure, and that will be needed in the form of charging stations or easier places to charge or replace the batteries of the cars or the tanks of the hydrogen fuel cell cars. Government policies are another way that we could promote the adoption of zero-emission technologies. We would use this by getting governments to help fund the production and also the adoption of EVs, and that could be done in the form of making grants for making ZEVs more cheaper to the public, as currently they are very expensive for the majority of people around the world. And another thing that they could do is they could help fund projects like charging infrastructure, as that isn't a very viable thing for private companies currently, as it uses a lot of funding for the making and both also making sure that they don't break, as currently most third-party options other than Tesla's be almost useless comparatively, and it makes ZEVs and EVs a less attractive option to many people.
Impacts and the changes that we have on the environment are basis on the impacts that current cars emits. So a world with complete zero-emission cars will be completely different because it will have way lower energy cost, cleaner air, a more conserved ecosystem, and it will lower the greenhouse emissions of our current world. Here we will present our model for our think tank presentation. Welcome to a world with zero-emission technology. In this world, our vehicles are powered completely electrically, powered by renewable energy sources such as solar panels and windmills. We included sufficient power stations so there is no fear of needing or running out of power. This technology is an innovation that addresses to the environmental preservation and climate change. Community and urban areas will also be benefited, since this can uplift the overall happiness and reduces the traffic congestion, increase in efficiency, and improving health and increase job opportunities. This technology also provides one of the ultimate solutions to climate change that contributes to our world and our environment. We believe a world of such will also benefit our ecosystem, preserving for biodiversity and reducing the respiratory and other diseases caused by air pollution. The California Air Resource Board have stated that by 2035, all new vehicles must be 100% zero emission and clean plug-in hybrid electric. And please, after seeing this presentation, be a part of the solution and not the pollution. We'll drive towards a very green future, optioning for a zero-emission vehicle, and switch to electric cars today and help to reduce chemical carbon emissions to improve the air qualities and take actions that can lead charge towards a more sustainable tomorrow.